In today's video, I will be showing you how to download and install old NVIDIA drivers in Windows 10. There's many reasons why you might want to do this. Perhaps you're having issues with the current latest driver on your system, or perhaps the driver that you've installed isn't compatible with a game, or perhaps it's just causing you a lot of problems in general. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and select your graphics card. So I need to go ahead and select GeForce. I then need to go ahead and select 16 series. And I now need to make sure I've got 1660 Super selected. I've got Windows 10 64-bit. And we want to keep Windows driver as standard. You now need to select your language. And then keep this option on all. You now need to go ahead and press search once you have selected your graphics card. You will now see a list of all the old drivers. And as you can see, I can go all the way back to December the 2nd, 2020. And that version is 457.51. So if I want to go ahead and download and install this driver, all I need to do is go ahead and click on the link so it hyperlinks and then click. I can now go ahead and press download. I then need to press download again if I agree to the terms and then save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you then need to go ahead and run the setup file and then press OK. You now need to agree to the terms. If you do, go ahead and press agree and continue. You can then choose between express and custom. I'm happy to do express and then press next. Once the install has finished, you now need to go ahead and press close. If I now go ahead and right click on the NVIDIA icon in my system tray and then click on NVIDIA control panel, and if I agree to the terms, if you get this, then go ahead and agree if you do. You can now see that the version that I have installed is 456.71, which is the version that we just downloaded and installed. And there you have it. That is how you install an old graphics card driver in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.